and welcome. I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Locals to bake in triple-digit temperatures as heat advisories are in place in New York. An urgent weather message has been issued for New York and much of the East Coast as a heat dome brings sweltering temperatures to the Big Apple. The National Weather Service has warned the temperatures are so severe they could bring heat illnesses to some of the city's most vulnerable residents as all the concrete and tarmac soaks up the heat only to radiate it right back out. Although the mercury will read up to 92 degrees Fahrenheit, with humidity this could feel as high as 102 degrees Fahrenheit for heat-dazed New Yorkers. The authorities, including Governor, has put out advice on how to look after yourself and your neighbors. A heat advisory remains in place for New York City and many parts of the state. Extreme heat is dangerous and can be fatal if it is not taken seriously. Heat advisories are issued by the NWS when the heat index, an estimate of how hot it feels when temperature and humidity are combined, is forecast to reach 95 to 99 Fahrenheit for at least 2 consecutive days, or 100 to 104 Fahrenheit for any length of time. The advisory warns the heat index could reach 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. It covers all 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn and Queens. Extreme heat is dangerous and is the leading cause of weather-related fatalities in the United States. The most common heat-related illnesses are heat stroke, heat exhaustion, heat cramps and heat rash. Seniors and those with chronic health problems and mental health conditions are at an increased risk. Homes without air conditioning can be much hotter than outdoor temperatures. The advisory was for Albany, Rensselaer, Greene, Columbia, Ulster, Dutchess, Warren and Washington counties. New York City is in the midst of what is expected to be classified as the second official heat wave of the summer. In the days ahead, the threat of heat will give way to threat of flooding as heavy downpours and potentially strong thunderstorms are forecast to soak the city. While conditions look bone dry for the remainder of Tuesday and much of Wednesday, thunderstorm could bring to rumble over the city sometime after 4 or 5 p.m. Wednesday. This spotty thunderstorm activity late on Wednesday will eventually give way to more widespread precipitation on Thursday. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.